Number 6. A blue whale weighs 3 times 10 to the 5th power pounds. A narwhal weighs 4 times 10 to the 3rd pounds. Which of these comparisons of the blue whales and the narwhal's weights is correct? So the word comparison is a very interesting word because that makes me think of a ratio. Also, it actually does not say to the narwhals, it just says and. So I'm going to write a ratio of the blue whale over the narwhal. So the blue whale is 3 times 10 to the 5th. The narwhal is 4 times 10 to the 3rd. And I'm going to show you another way to do this, but for the moment, let me show you the exponent rule that applies here. So we're interested in these two numbers right here. I've got 3/4 over there. We can go ahead and simplify. 3/4 times 10. And in this situation, when you have division of exponents, this is what they're actually testing. I'm going to show you a different way, but this is what they're testing. You subtract those exponents. So 5 minus 3, that is 2. So 10 to the 2nd power. So we have 3/4 times 10 to the 2nd, that's 100. So 3/4 times 100 is 75. And you can use your calculator to get the 75. Let me just walk you through it. You would say 3 ABC4 times 100 equals 75. So the blue whale weighs 75 times as much as a narwhal. So this would be the answer I would choose. All right, let me show you another way to do that. Let's say that on test day you just completely forget your rules of exponents because it's not something you use on a daily basis. So here's another way that you can do this. You can take the blue whale's weight, and it's 3 times 10 to the 5th. So that would be 3 times 10. That's going to be 5 zeros there. So I'm short one. So a blue whale weighs 300,000 pounds. And then you would do the same for the narwhal. Narwhal is 4 times 10 to the 3rd. So 4 times 3 zeros here. That is 4,000 pounds. And then you can do the comparison. So you have 300,000 over 4,000. And you can cancel some zeros if you want, or you can type all of that in there. But 300 divided by 4 is 75. So that method will work the same. This is called expanded form over here. And this is called scientific notation. But they represent the same quantities. So you can use either method to get your answer. Either one of those will work for this particular problem. Answer is D as in Delta.